So hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be going over all setups from last 2 weeks using my second model and even going over setup that made my student finish phase 2 on his funding challenge. So let's get right into it. I'll be showing you the last week where we made 5%, 4 trades in total, 3 wins and 1 stop loss, so that's 75% win rate. By the way, we also had break-even trades, but I'm not gonna show all the break-even trades, so I'm only gonna count win and losses. And also the week before where we made 7% with 10 trades in total, 6 wins, 4 losses, so it's 60% win rate. So in the last 2 weeks, 12% in profits. So this setup, and every single setup you see on this chart is literally the same. We are just using 3 simple steps to every single trade. So as you can see, this is GM 40, this is NES 100, this is US 30, and this is gold. So I'm not gonna go over every single trade, because as I said, every single trade is literally the same. So we're gonna start on gold from this week. This trade was super clean. As you can see, sniper entry point, sniper exit. I took this setup with my Discord members. So first of all, let's go to weekly. So as you can see, gold is moving up with momentum. So the best thing you can do is actually catch the continuations. And the best level for continuation is this 382 level, as I showed you in a previous video. As you can see, this is the weekly 382 level. So let's go back to 30 minute. As you can see, we tap into this 382 level with such a precision and just went higher from this point. So let's go back to the Wednesday open. Okay, so the Wednesday open was around this level. So we opened and just went straight higher. And that's because, as I said many times before, the market doesn't care about liquidity sweeps. It only cares about continuation levels, manipulation cycles, and just momentum. So we tap into this continuation level. And for Wednesday, I was expecting the price to go higher. So let's say we woke up around this time. So the best thing you can do, as I said before, catch the continuation. So this will be the last push on gold. As you can see, this is the low, this is the high, this is the 382 level. So now all we have to wait for is market to shift bullish, induce some sellers, and after our confirmation, we can just enter buys because we understand that everything is bullish. I mean, not everything is bullish, but we tap into this bullish level, so it should be bullish in the next few days. And as you can see, we tap into this 382 level, and now we had this huge candle, which was our entry point. Okay, basically, I use moving averages. I know that some of you might be saying that indicators doesn't work, but I do not care. I'm making money every single week. Just because someone said that it doesn't work, it means nothing, because you can just literally go and watch FTMO interviews, and most of these profitable people are using some type of indicators. So I'm using this moving average. By the way, if you want to, you can use this as well. I use all of them. Okay, so this 100, 200, this 51. So in this case, we broke about this green one, and that's literally it. So currently on a weekly, we tap into this 382 level. In this intraday price action, we also tap into this 382 level after trapping these sellers by creating this market shift, leaving this order block behind. So a lot of people had sell positions like this, because overall the trend is bearish, but we understand that this is just reversal, and this whole movement to the downside is just manipulation cycle on hard time frame, specifically the weekly one, to induce sellers, tap into continuation level and go higher. So that's the idea on a hard time frame. And when it comes to low time frame, as you can see, the same thing. We created this push from this hard time frame level, induce sellers into this 382 level, and now we have our confirmation by closing above this moving average. By the way, I'm using only one single time frame. So as I said before, everything is mechanical. One time frame, one entry model, and we have trades almost every single day. If the price action is clean, you can literally pass a funded challenge in just 1 week. It's so simple to catch these trades, because all you do is waiting for price to close above the moving average. I'm not gonna go into details how I'm entering these trades, but basically the entry point would have been around this level, stop loss below the candle, and as you can see, it just went perfectly, because this will show you the correct momentum. And after the opening, we shouldn't go back below this candle and just continue much higher. Okay, so we had this bearish momentum. We broke above it, broke above the moving average. And after we broke above the moving average, this is literally the whole idea. Okay, I do not use any market shifts. By the way, if you're watching my videos for the first time, I have 2 models. This is the first one, and this is the second one. With the second one, I use the moving averages, and we have trades almost every single day. And with the first model, I use manipulation cycles to induce sellers into our continuation levels, where I basically just have simple entry model based on traps and manipulations. Okay, so this is a bit advanced, but still simple. And this is the second model, which is literally close above moving average on specific time frame. We have trades almost every single day. So this is a bit more aggressive model, and this is the bit more passive model with a high win rate around 75%. All I wait for is close below moving average, and that's it. So everyone is having the same time frame and just waiting for price to close above moving average on specific time frame. So once we close at this point, everyone just entered, and this was the exit point. So this was a setup on gold, and this is basically what I'm doing every single week to achieve these consistent results. So this is the trade that completed the phase 2 for one of my students. As you can see, the same thing. We had this bearish momentum. Now we shifted bullish, tap into this continuation level, closed above moving average, entry point, stop loss, and that's it. So as I said before, every single setup is the same. So I'm not going to go over every single setup because I'll be just saying the same thing. So hopefully you learn something new. Even though this video was just a breakdown and not some type of learning video, hopefully it gave you some new information that you can use. And if you got any questions, you can just leave it below, or you can DM me on Instagram, and see you next time.